Now, this is a course on social media marketing, but you can almost think of it as like a search engine optimization course at the same time because Google has started focusing more on social media as a determinant in how high your site shows up in the search results. So if you look at the screenshot here, you can see something called the Spearman analysis, and this is done by a company called Searchmetrics. And what they do is they monitor 10,000 keywords over the course of a year, along with 5 billion backlinks and almost 20 billion social media signals, likes, shares, comments, etc. And you'll notice that out of the 6 categories listed here, social media in purple at the bottom has the highest correlation with a high ranking on Google. And so I'm going to zoom in here so you can see it a little better. And you see at the top of the list here, you have the Facebook total, which means a combination of shares, comments, and likes. And then we have Pinterest, or the number of times your posts or images get repinned. Then Twitter, which would be the number of retweets. And then finally, Google plus ones. Now, Google is continuing to push these social signals that are determined by the number of people who enjoy your content more so than many of the other factors on the list. And so, like I said, this is a course on social media, but it's also a great way to move your site and posts up the search engine rankings. So the first thing I want to do is walk you through how to set up the social media share buttons so that they're always next to your reader wherever they go on your website. They follow them down as they're reading the post. They're on the top, on the bottom, they're on the right or the left. So if your readers get to a certain point where they're really enjoying your content and they want to share with their friends, they don't even have to think about it. They don't have to find any social media share buttons. They're always right there. And I only see this on like 20 or 25% of websites, but this is an absolute necessity for getting your business's name out there, for going viral, for being found. And that's really important when it comes to marketing any business. It's just for people to know about you. And there's really no chance of anything going viral on your site without social media share buttons. So let's take a look at how to set up some free buttons that will always be available whenever your readers want to share or like something.